understanding animal classification is not only important for scientific study, but also for the conservation of various species. By categorizing and classifying animals, scientists are able to gain valuable insights into their behavior, habitat requirements, and evolutionary relationships. This knowledge serves as a foundation for implementing effective conservation strategies and wildlife management practices. Conservation efforts heavily rely on accurate identification and classification of species. By understanding the different categories and classifications within the animal kingdom, researchers can identify endangered or threatened species, monitor population trends, and assess the overall health of ecosystems.